Welcome back. Now that I've wrapped up the last project, which was that big planter, it's time to move on to something that's going to help get this shop organized. I'm going to get some color on this wall back here and get some French cleats up so we can start organizing all these tools. I've got the other half of D Squared here helping me today. Say hi.
Hello.
That's Dee. She's going to be the supervisor for this project. Here's the wall with the new color on it. The panels there are going to get covered up with something special that I'm going to be making in the shop. I'll be showing that one here pretty soon. But as we come around to my other little zone here, I've added TV to the wall so I can get my YouTube on while I'm out here working in the shop. I can watch some of the creators that inspire me. I've set up a console table that we were going to get rid of, but I repurposed it for the shop so I can move the 3D printer and all of its supplies over to there. And then I can dedicate this table over here to the X-Tool S1, and then I'll have more space to set up the fume extractor fan that goes with it. And we're going to be prettying up that window. Right now I've just got cardboard in there to block the light from coming in on the 3D printer, making it too hot. So these are the organizational changes I've got coming. Hopefully you'll be seeing these improvements sooner rather than later, and follow along, see what we're able to do.